So I started realizing how magical the body is. And one of my new findings in my meditation is we say body, mind, soul. And I feel like that's a myth now as well. Because I was always like body, mind, soul, and then God is everything. Now I feel that the body is God. So it's God, mind, soul. And mind and soul are the two things that you see in the sky, the moon and the sun. The moon is the mind which masks the sun. And if you looked at just a moon cycle for 30 days or 28 days, there's different phases of the moon. So I call your moon the mind, the ego. And we've got all these different ego characters, and we're getting tested through life, and then we have different egos from other people and opinions and challenges, and then you come back to yourself again, and it goes round. So you could choose the mind, and I also like to use the word the mind is a maze. If you go with the mind, it is quite a maze that you're in. It's go down this direction, then you go down that one, you go forward, you have to come back. But if you just went with your soul, the sun that turns up every day, it's consistent, it's simple. That's the truth. So there's the way. But the human experience allows us to have all these other different experiences, and with that, different emotions, different feelings, and a different way that we can start adding to our story. So I'm going to play a part of a book, because another thing with this, I'm not the only one saying this at all. There's thousands of people saying this. But this was the real eye-opener for me. So this is the book of Luke, and we're going to come on to the Gospel.